This is my first video and I'm really nervous and excited. And this is me sketching the howling wolf. And it was my third attempt because I lost my footage and for the first two times, so I had to do this third time, and it was exhausting but fun. And but please let me know what you guys think of it, and follow me and subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram. It's KZ Creations, and the link will be in the description. But yeah, and we will chat in the comment section. And please do follow me on my Instagram. And this is really easy and fun. And if you like animals, just subscribe without thinking, cause I also love animals, and I will draw, paint, and sketch a lot of animals and different stuff, of course, but mostly animals because I love animals, especially wolves. It's really easy, fun. I'm really nervous and I don't know what to say anymore, but yes, and you guys will have fun. And this is me saying goodbye in this video, and I will post soon again. And yes, and you guys let me know. Bye, have fun, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones and your family, and especially your mental health. And yeah, just enjoy it. And if you guys do sketch this, then tag me on my social media and have fun. Bye, take care.